The future has arrived, and it wears the name MG Cyberster. From the very first look, it stuns. That low, wide front stretches out with electric aggression. The illuminated grille, razor-sharp headlights, and aerodynamic sculpting all coming together in a design that feels more spaceship than car. Every line flows with purpose, chiseling out a silhouette that's sleek, muscular, and undeniably futuristic. The wheels look like they've been pulled straight from a concept sketch. Bold alloys with a design that feels alive even at a standstill. The paint finish is more than shine. It's energy captured in color, reflecting light like liquid fire as it moves. Step inside, and the Cyberster welcomes you to the future of driving. The seats aren't just crafted for comfort, they're sculpted for thrill, hugging your body with racing precision, yet wrapping you in pure luxury. The cabin is immersive, a driver's cockpit that feels straight out of science fiction. Screens stretch around you in a sweeping digital arc, wrapping the dashboard in vibrant displays that respond instantly to your touch. The steering wheel is futuristic, almost like a game controller, bringing control and play together in one. Every button, every interface feels intuitive, purposeful, alive. And then, silence turns into power. Instant torque, breathtaking acceleration, performance that doesn't just move you, it electrifies you. The Cyberster doesn't roar. It surges forward with a force that makes your heart race. This isn't just MG's boldest creation. It's a revolution. A roadster reborn for a new era. Futuristic on the outside, immersive on the inside, and driven by pure electric performance. The MG Cyberster isn't simply a car. It's the beginning of tomorrow.